Hey everybody, you watching GT Sam. I'm Sam, and right here we have a strut mount bar, and it's off because, well, it doesn't fit anymore because we installed these amazing coils from max speeding rods, and well, this impedes it a little bit. And I figured I might just buy a whole new piece to go ahead and put on here so it fits with the whole modifications. Why would I do that? I ain't gotta spend $160 to do that. No. So what we're gonna do is modify this one. This has been good for me forever, and we're just gonna make it even better now. So what we're going to do is actually modify the ends so the tops of these controllers can fit right through. We can easily access them, and this whole thing just fits right on. So let's go ahead, mark this up, make some calculations, and see what we come up with. What we got going on and how everything's just kind of getting in the way. Now, go like this, and inside. Yeah, it's like it doesn't sit all the way in because of the top part right there with the adjuster. So yeah, we gotta go ahead, and what I'm gonna do, take some measurements here, and I think what we're gonna do, I was thinking about just like cutting here and here, but then we're gonna be using this bracket. I don't wanna do that, so we're just gonna make a hole right through the middle. So I think that it'd be good just so we can actually have the space in the room, and then when it sits down in there, and then it'd be perfectly fine to have the room, and we're not gonna really impede on anything too much either. So one of many modifications we're making here this week on this beautiful car. My goodness, she's amazing, but boy, she needs some TLC. The measure tape here. Yeah, we got to take it from over here to like the middle. So take this back off. Take from the center of this to the center of that. My twice used digital caliper, and the battery already died, and has a little peanut thing in there I don't even have. So that was great. We're looking at like 2 inches actually. I'm going in with the mark. I think it's right there. My paint pen, a little silver on there. Dot marks the spot. What did I just say? Dot marks the spot. So that's what we're gonna drill. Now we figure out the size we need for just like a hole drill, not just a drill, but a hole drill. To just make a hole like right there. So I think we got the tools for that actually, so we'll have to see. Let's go ahead and measure off the other side then. Now we got our circumference here with this measured around, so we're almost at an inch, right at 8. And the 20th for millimeters, I'm sorry. So 20 millimeters. So yeah, we're at the 8 there. So yeah, if we get a drill, like just a hole drill just like that, we'll be in good shape. We'll make a hole right into there. Oh boy, we're here and already. We got the step bit right here. We're going to go through 13/16. So if we measure it with where we're at with this, it's going to go sliding right down onto there. Yeah, right there. Oh, yeah, right there. So it's going to slide right in there. Should be good. Should be perfect. So we got our markings already. So we're just going to go for it. I make sure I know where to stop. And I think from what I remember, what you should do is mark it with... I should mark it with a marker. That's what I'm trying to get at. My very professional stand right here. So I'll mark this so I don't lose track of when to stop. So just a marking there. Okay. Okay, let's do it to it, Worst case, we got to buy another one. We're good. All right. Here we go. Okay, let's not break anything, people. Let's not break anything. Hang on. Yeah, we're on the mark. Stop moving. Don't move. Not really. Okay, there we go. Might need more speed, Captain. There we go. Pretty clean, man. Pretty clean. Yeah, that seems like a better spot, up here. A little more stable. All right. There we go. I'm cruising now, man. Well, we're back with it, and that's our results right here. Not bad. Massive hole than what I really wanted, but that's okay because it fits. It's good, and right on the edge of it. So we're gonna, for now we might just tape it off around the edge and then eventually paint it. But it's all kind of sanded down for now and filed down. So it's gonna fit good. We're gonna bolt it up and see how it officially does. New strut bar? I don't think so. Modified old one? Absolutely. Check this out. Nice gloss paint black on here. Went ahead and had this all drilled, filed, and sanded around the edges here, painted, and just enough room to make all the adjustments that need be. Really clean, really nice, won't rust out either. And the same thing over here. Looks really good. Still the same adjustments here. Okay, don't worry about this. This is a later modification you'll know about in a later video. And of course, we had to go ahead and take it out on a test drive, and you know what? Perfection. It's almost like a European level at this point, which is crazy. I took it out even better on the suspension and grip and handling, everything like that, to go perfectly with the new coilovers that we installed in the previous video. Now, we just had to use a little time and a little extra cash to go ahead and make these modifications, and they're so worth it. So instead of spending $160 on a new strut bar mount, we had and did about $13 to $14 on some step bits from Harbor Freight. And then we have this beautiful results here. And you could do it too. And really was not that bad. So guys, what did you think of today's video? If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you leave a thumbs up right there. Make sure you leave a comment down below if you have any questions or tips about this, or if you have an experience like this, go ahead and let me know down below also. And make sure you check out my merch store for shirts quite like this. And make sure you subscribe for more content quite like this and much more. We're ready for a track season this year, and I'm ready to take this baby back out. She's my OG, and we'll see how she does on track this year compared to 3 to 4 years ago when she would definitely did not have all these upgrades. It's gonna be exciting and a lot of fun. I hope you will join me all for those videos and come on out and join me as well. But guys, thank you so much again for watching. This is GT Sam. I'm gonna catch you next time. A lot of birds hanging around. Bird, birds, what you doing? Come on. There's a lot of random things happening around here. I know some dude walking out of a storage unit, I don't even know how he got there.